I'm a fool for your love.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this dollhouse. So let's get in. For my base floor is going to be 25 centimeter by 35 centimeter. This is actually a really thick kind of plywood. Cut tiny pieces of cardboard sheet. So that is going to create a brick wall texture. Apply a coat of glue so it will stay, and I'm going to apply 2 coats of white paint. I actually left a little bit part there because now we are going to keep our furnitures there. For the second wall I need a different texture. Put a layer of sand, cover it with another layer of glue, and then spray paint that. This is the texture that we were going to get with the sand. Now we are going to make TV stand, so these are the measurements. I'm going to stick it with super glue. So for the drawers I'm going to use matchbox, and I have cut it to the size and have painted it black. Stick one side to the plywood and stick another piece so it would stay in place. And now I'm going to cut small 2 pieces for the I'm going to cut this kind of shape. Now I'm going to stick that onto the wall. I'm going to poke a hole for the LED light. I need a bit space between the wall and the thing, so I'm going to use this thick foam. Now for the TV I'm going to cut a small, you're going to need a small piece of glass paper and glue them on and put the frame. For the shelf I just took some random pieces, look kind of a modern shelf. So next week we are going to cover some more furnitures and lights, so don't forget to watch that. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and turn on the bell notifications. And I'm going to stick that onto the wall. I know this is messy, but we are gonna clean that up. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you'll enjoy the video. Okay, bye.